Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with the Crafty Advent Calendar, Year 2, Second Edition. Wonderful! She will arrive to you like this. This is a lovely oversized box. I'll tell you how big these kits are. 13 inches tall by 9.5 inch wide. If you watch my previous video with the Stitchmas, that one is 12 by 9.5. These are fabulous. Gift for yourself or gift for your crafty friend. The first one is for stitching. So if you stitch on paper, you would start using it now to make gifts. But this one now, if you're going to get it for yourself, you would start playing with this one on December 1st. So I can only show you the box. I'm not going to open anything. You guys know how I feel about this. I have all the patience in the world because I don't get many gifts at Christmas. So this is like a gift to myself, and it's a crafty gift, and it's all good. So thank you, Spellbinders, for my first Christmas gift of the year. Yay! The only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take off the plastic wrapping, if I can get my scissors in. It's available now. Both items are limited quantity. Notice I'm stressing the word limited quantity. It will sell out and disappear. It will be there though for a little while. So take your time. This one is a winner. You guys saw it last year. A lot of you got it, and then some of you didn't get it, and then you regretted not getting it. Here's your chance. Second edition. I love the car. Hopefully this car is in there too. Oh. I love this so much. I want to open it, but I'm not. Where is number one? Okay, where's number one? I can't see number one. Crafters, I'm too excited. I can't see. It's right here. There's number one. Let me see if there's a hint on the back. Okay, there's an ice cream and a little guy. With the Advent Calendar, you're getting so many lovely things. 24 crafty surprise. You go from December 1st to the 24th, including dies, stamps, embossing folders, stencils, and embellishments. You just add any paper you wish, ink, and adhesive. I had a fantastic time last Christmas. I made birthday cards. I made thank you cards with it last year. All kinds of stuff. And you can see florals too. Beautiful florals as well. Okay? So this one is a by far winner. I'm just going to show it from time to time just to remind you that if you want it, she is back and ready to go. Happy. Just, yeah. I'm so happy about this. Alrighty, crafters, I just wanted to come on to say Crafty Advent Calendar is back. Crafty Advent Calendar is the one with the dies, the stamps. 12 days of Stitchmas. This is stitching dies, okay? You'll be seeing examples from me much sooner with this one, as in going throughout this month. But this one now, she'll take a little bit more time because this is for December. But you can definitely collect as many as you want. If you want to give it as a crafty gift, I know crafters who make a crafty project for a friend. By the time they make the project, they're $100 in. This does not have that price point, and it is 24 days of goodness. So you weigh it out how you want to weigh it out. This is such a fabulous gift for yourself, crafters, and more. Or if you want to get somebody into crafting during the Christmas holiday, you guys are going to be cropping together. What a fabulous gift to start off cropping together over the holidays. The Advent Calendar. Yay! Alrighty, crafters, on to the next video. Everything will be detailed and linked below. I will also link the 12 Days of Christmas set with the stitch along too. Alrighty, crafters, on to the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Exciting! Bye!